If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat makes it simple to select and copy both text and graphics, which you can then paste into other software applications or use to create other PDF files. Note that you can only select and copy text within PDFs that are not protected by security settings or for which you have the required security permissions. When you first open a PDF in Acrobat, it activates the Select tool in the Quick Tools panel by default. If needed to activate the Select tool in Acrobat, click the top button in the Quick Tools panel and then choose the Select command from the side menu that appears. You can use the Select tool in Acrobat to select either images or text. To select text in a PDF after activating the Select tool, hover the Select tool over the text. Notice that the tool's on-screen icon then appears as an I-beam selector. Then click and drag the I-beam icon over the text to copy to select it. The Select tool then highlights the text to show what you selected. To copy the selected text, click the hamburger menu button in the title bar, and then select the Copy command. Once copied, you can then paste this text into another software application, like Microsoft Word, for example. Separately, there are two ways to select images in a PDF using Acrobat's Select tool. To select an image in a PDF when the Select tool is active, click the image to select it. Acrobat then highlights the image to show it is selected. You can then copy and paste the image into another application just like text. Alternatively, to only select part of an image in a PDF, instead click and drag the Select tool icon across the part of the image to copy. Then release the mouse button. You can then copy and paste the selected part of the image into another application just like text. To deselect a selection in Acrobat, click once into the blank or empty area of the PDF. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.